Do you know what the worst part of this is?
Yeah.
The parking is only valid for 9 hours.
Morning.
Morning.
There we go. So let's check our boots. And they are wet AF. It's the third day. We have 3 miles to go, roughly. We'll eat breakfast by the car because we need to meet some people. It should be somewhat easy hike, but
It's going to be a 10-mile hike
yeah.
with a total elevation. I don't remember, but it's quite a lot actually.
Good job. High five. Oh.
Yep, that's confirmed. Sleep boosts morale. It was as high as our boots were wet.
So yeah, we are in Canada apparently. Or at least it looks like it.
This trail was a shortcut, and on the map it was marked with blue dashed line. At first we didn't know why it was like that. Well, now we know. It was a stream that sometimes became a trail. The trouble was that all the rocks were extremely slippery. Eventually we reached Thirlmere Road, which was very welcome change after that gnarly stream trail or whatever it was.
We have finally reached our first destination of the day. Trusty gray Corolla. Finally some food. Basically my first breakfast meal. So, but we'll make some proper breakfast because it's gonna be a long day. We just left our cars and parking.
That was quite a steep section. It was a challenge even without our 23 kilo backpacks.
It will be funny if you get stuck.
I would laugh. I wouldn't even
Hello,
help him.
this is 40 subscribers special. Because today is cloudy, you cannot see anything else besides snow and cloud, and just it smushes together. So it's a completely different experience than yesterday. Whoa. So we're at some sort of summit at the moment, but we have no idea which one because it's so windy and so cloudy. You see the marker in there?
Yeah.
So that's how you navigate in these conditions. Seems that the mountain is ending here, right? That's it.
It just stops.
Yeah, it just stops. So guys, flat earthers were actually right. Look at this. It just ends. What the fuck is this?
What? Lovely, right?
Yep.
Look. You're right on point.
Know what's a good word? That shit was gnarly, bro.
Hella sick, bro.
Hella sick, bro.
Yeah, it's the snow. You see it?
Well, it's gnarly, but should be alright. In there it's a bit...
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. Don't slip, because...
Try not to slip, guys.
Yeah. Pro tip. Oh, look at that. This is very, very gnarly section, but we're getting there. So we actually camped on the other side of the lake. YOLO! Whoa! Because unexpectedly we lost the path somewhere in the mountains because it was snow and essentially fog. It was really hard to navigate. So anyway, so we kind of got lost, walked too far, and now we're actually heading back. So from now on it's essentially going back, just obviously a different route. So we'll see how it goes. So it seems that we have a situation here.
Just a tiny situation, not too big. Do you know what the worst part of this is?
Yeah.
The parking is only valid for 9 hours. Gnarliest. What? Could you check your pockets real quick? I hope you gained something.
What?
Your car keys?
Yes.
Oh,
No, don't
shit.
joke.
I'm not. Either when I took that headlight out or when I asked to get the compass out, car keys must have fell out because it's nowhere.
So anyway, so we're getting bus to Rydal. That will shorten the time to get to the car, and then I will need to pick one of the boys up. Not one of them, both of them, regardless of the if they actually found the keys or not, and regardless of their decision what happens next. Thank you very much. We just arrived in Rydal, just like that, in probably 10 or 15 minutes on very warm bus, and now we are getting back to the car. We double timed the shirt out of the enriched baguette wagon. What?
Did you find it or not really?
Wait, what? Somehow they're by the car.
Wow! Guess they found some.
At first we need to figure out the drama. So, do you have the keys? Okay, another question is, how the fuck did you were able to...
I told Miguel it was 38 minutes, he didn't believe me.
Okay, so what happened actually?
We actually got a ride with a farmer.
Oh.
Did you actually cross this like a stead or something like that?
We didn't.
Yeah, so we were just making small talk while she was opening the gate for us to let us out, and I don't know, Saz mentioned to her that he lost his car keys, and she asked a bit more, and then she decided to help us.
Nice. So
the current plan is a taxi's gonna come in about 20 minutes.
yeah.
Pick me and Amy up. It's gonna take us to the depot. At the depot, I'm gonna get a rental car, drive to Manchester, stay over the night, and actually get some rest. Drive back here tomorrow with Paulus.
Me probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Also on the 12th, right?
good night guys.
Good night.
After a long drive home, we have decided that this vandal needs some rest, and tomorrow won't be driving Sas to his baguette wagon.
So it's essentially 3 weeks after last hike and camp adventure, and we just couldn't resist.
Yeah, we're back here in Fairfield doing the horseshoe loop again.
Yep. And the weather is amazing. It's a bit windy.
Slightly different conditions.
I guess we'll see you guys in We found! We saved!
Wait.
What?
What's there? I saved Gregory.
Oh!
But I also lost these two. And my thermos.
There was a drama, but we just saved our most important.
Gregory's back!
Gregory's back! Woo! Now it's bye. Bye!